Hi there, my name is Glenn Monroe and I own Brain Diesel. And in this video, I want to show you a really cool feature that you can use in Microsoft Office. I'm going to be illustrating this for you in Office 2016, but it will work for you in 2010 as well, and it works for you in Excel, Outlook, Word, or PowerPoint. So this is a nice global thing, good to know. And what that is you can customize your ribbons. Now, at the top of every piece of software, like the one I'm showing in PowerPoint 2016, you've got your file and your home and your insert and all those kind of things. When I go to Excel, I've got the same deal. Home and insert and page layout, and so be it. But you'll notice I have one here called Glenn's Stuff. And when I'm on Glenn's Stuff, here it is. And it's some features that I created on this ribbon in groups that I want to have. This first one, actually, I haven't named the groups. It's new group and new group, but I can give those names. But you can decide I want to have different groups, same as we have on the regular ribbons, such as Insert. There's the Tables group and the Illustrations group. So you can create a ribbon. You can group it how you want to have it grouped, and by software. So Glenn's Stuff is one I created here. I created similarly on PowerPoint a Glenn Stuff ribbon. I did not have to have the same name, but I chose to. And here I did name the groups, as this is Remove Background and Modify Object, and just different features I found myself going up to, hitting a drop down or going to a special menu and so on. I want to have it all ready for me when I want it. And you can do that too. The process is the same regardless of the software. What we're going to do is go up to your File menu and down to Options. And in the pop-up here, we have something called Customize Ribbon. In Customize Ribbon, here's a list of all the features you can do. Or here's the popular commands. There's also commands not in the ribbon, so you can go find ones that aren't even there. Every command, or if I want to find something on the File tab or a very specific tab, I can do that. So what I did here was I have one called Glenn's Stuff. Well, let's create a new one. So I go down here and hit New Tab, and I'm going to so I click on New Tab, and I'm going to rename that How To for Video. So there we go. And I hit OK. And now by default, there's a new group, custom. I'm going to rename that as well. Rename. And I could give it a symbol. I'm not going to bother with that. I'm just going to call this new group My Chosen Stuff. There we go. And OK. So now I've got a ribbon and I've got a group, but what I need is buttons in that group. So if I find myself always going to the Home tab, so I'll go here to, let's see, All tabs, or actually I'll even go to just the main tabs first of all. Keep my list shorter. So the main tabs is Home, Insert, and so on. And on the Home tab, here's the groups that already exist. And under Slides, there's New Slide, hey, Layout, and I'm always going to Layout. I click on Layout here, and I simply add it. And now the Layout button is part of my new ribbon. Now you'll notice this one here is a plus, because under New Slide, then you've got Duplicate Slide or Reuse Slide and so on. Or I could have the New Slide whole thing with the drop-down menu. I'm going to choose Duplicate Slide here. Add that. And now I go to, then I'm always going to the Review tab. And under the Review tab, under, I don't know, I'm making this up, so we'll go under Proofing. I always do Spell Check and add that. And so you build your ribbon how you want to have it. Then I can create a new group if I want, so I'll do another new group. And this one's going to be, we'll custom name that Group 2. Hit OK. And now on that one, let's suppose that there's the sub-tabs as well. So for instance, when you click on a graph or when you click on an image, you get that format and all the other options there, the layout ribbons and so on. So if I go to All tabs, here's the Home tab and Insert and all those. But below that, I have the Slide Master, or under Smart Art Tools, here's Design and Format. And under Drawing Tools and Picture Tools and so on. So maybe under Table Tools, under Design, let's see, I'm going to go with, or actually I'll go with Table Tools, Layout, Rows and Columns, Insert Row Above, and I will add that. And so on. You can add whatever you want. If I would decide, I kind of wish this Group 2 is above Group 1, I'll just hit the up arrow, and now it's first. So I get to decide the order. I don't have to have it all mapped up beforehand. I can put any buttons I want in any group in any order, and now I have a ribbon created. I hit OK, and here's my How To for Video, and here's my Group 2, which I had bumped to the front, and then my Group 1. When I go to Excel, that won't be an option there, but I can create a different tab there. So it's all very, very easy. Now, I said it didn't matter if you were in 2016 or 2010, because when I go into 2010 PowerPoint, it's been created there as well. So if you have 10 and 16 installed in your machines, it carries over. Or if you've built this nice, beautiful ribbon in 10, and then your company upgrades to 16, don't worry, it's going to come along nicely. So that's how to deal with that. If you like this video, then like it. Give me a thumbs up and give me comments and let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to know and share this, subscribe, and all those wonderful things that you help because by you promoting me, I can then justify spending more time answering your questions, which I'm happy to do. So post your questions below. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Bye now.